So what's going on YouTube? Today we have another one right here, a popcorn bucket, but this is a combo with a drink as well. This is the baby Deadpool. We're gonna open it up today and see how well it does. I'm pretty excited about this one. This is kind of like, I think Deadpool kind of brought the game of popcorn buckets into the market. And there's actually one coming up that I'm more excited about, but today we're gonna do this, like the Batman one. But anyways, today we're gonna do the Deadpool, last Deadpool, popcorn bucket slash drink tray. I think that's what you call that. And let's see how well this one does. Let's open it up. Whoo! There it is. Got a straw as well right here. There you go, which goes way up there. And that's it. So pretty much you have this whole thing with you. It's kind of like a one, your whole combo is pretty much this guy right here. As a popcorn bucket on the back. There it is. And show you guys the popcorn bucket on the back here. Basically this opens up like so, and then your popcorn is all in there. Pretty nice. Quite a big pouch as well. It's pretty much the whole seat, which is nice. And then you have this guy in the front. You cannot really take it off, so that's all right. But this top right here comes off as well. There you go. It opens up, kind of like a lid. There you go. For the drink. Boom, you can have your pop in there. Soft drinks, right? There you go. And then pop this guy back. Boom. And put your straw in. And start sipping. While you're watching a movie, you got this thing going. You got the popcorn on the back, kind of like thing. And then at the front, as you could see, very great detail of baby Deadpool, kind of enjoying the movie with you, right? Pretty cool. It has a couple of drinks as well, as you could see there. Of course, the baby Deadpool only likes milk, which is nice. But yeah, it's pretty good. On the back here, oh, I guess there's a latch. What is that? So this whole thing like comes off. Let's see. Oh, okay. Yeah, so there's a latch on the side here. You could see that right there. And if you want to bring this with you, like you can drink off this, and then this is gonna be your popcorn, right? So they're kind of separate, so it's nice in that way as well. Pretty nice, right? So what do you think of the Deadpool Wolverine movie? If you've seen it already, hopefully you have. It's been out for a while now. Um, Let me know what you think of this popcorn bucket as well. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to like review this right away. I got this last week, but I wasn't able to do it because I was pretty busy. But yeah, we have it here now. I have more coming. I'm actually gonna. I got one of those Batman, the brand new like popcorn bucket. So that's coming soon. Hopefully, I'll be able to review it right away so you guys can see it. It just came out like yesterday, right? Like, or sorry, maybe Thursday or Friday, whatever. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel. There is I also have an affiliate link for I have a merch for Deadpool shirts or Marvel shirts coming up. It's called a nerdhero.ca. It's ready to go. You can put your orders there, and it's basically a print on demand kind of website. And basically, it prints from Printful, The design is mine. I created it. They print it and then they ship it to you. So it takes about a week or so. So let me know what you think of that as well. I'll see you in the comments, and let me know what's your favorite scene in Deadpool and Wolverine. Subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. See you guys next time. Peace.